Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find recently watched video on Facebook. So first thing you have to do is open up your Facebook app just like this. And once you open it up, you look at the left side corner of your screen. You see those three horizontal lines. Click on that, and next thing you have to do is you see settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll down, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you scroll down to where you see activities. Yes, click on activity log. Once you click on that, scroll down and you click on your Facebook activities. Scroll down to click on post to manage posts, and next thing you have to do, click on filter and click on category, and you're going to see a lot of things you've done on your Facebook. So you're going to pick videos you've watched. So click on it and you're going to see all the videos you've watched, and it's going to be set sequentially, like on how you actually watch that. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.